Hi, I'm Maya Vander, and I'm here today in this beautiful construction site. Believe it or not, it's going to be an amazing, stunning townhome in the heart of Coconut Grove on Elizabeth Street. And I kind of want to show you behind the scene a little bit. What is it like? Because this project was in the making for more than a year. I mean, people see the finished product. I want to show you the before. Come with me. I'm very excited about this listing. There are a lot of townhouses in the Grove, and for someone who really doesn't know, they look all similar, but you have to look into the details. And this one is very, very unique and special because you can tell the finishes and the quality of the construction. All the colors here are very natural, as you can see, including the floors, which I love. It's a 48 by 48 cross-cut travertine porcelain. I'm here at the kitchen. I love this island. This is like my dream. And also what I like about my client, they put a nice touch. So you see that wood panel over there. It's going to connect to the island. So it's basically an extension for your dining entertainment space. Or if you have kids, you can even use it as a desk for homework. And it's all kind of like in the kitchen family area, which is very, very smart. The kitchen is Italian, designed by Mandy Casa. You're going to have custom cabinetry here and a coffee station. Who doesn't like coffee? I also really want to emphasize the linear AC and the recessed ceiling because those are ultra high-end finishes. The stairs are going to have glass railing and it's going to be floating stairs with custom LED spotlights. And not to mention this door, the quality and how beautiful it is. You have tile throughout, and I'm here in the primary. I want to show you how unique those floor-to-ceiling doors, because a lot of the time when you see new construction, the doors are actually not all the way up, so this is very unique. 3 more bedrooms, 10-foot ceilings, and it's very, very bright. Great lighting. So downstairs we have a splash pool and a barbecue area, and I'm going to take you now to the rooftop deck, which is stunning. So I love this spot because you can entertain here and you have plenty of space to utilize for whatever you desire for. You don't see it in any place in the Grove, especially the townhouses. And also what's cool about it, you have a higher separation from your neighbor, so you definitely have the privacy. So thank you so much for joining me. Now, if you're in the market here for Coconut Grove, please send me an email if you want to see it before I list it on the market. I just wanted to show you a sneak peek what this beautiful project looks like, and of course I'm going to do another video after. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Until next time.